So we could give them as well the updates on the construction aside dun sa power plant
Yes,
mall natin.
okay.
We could also see here sa balcony the Ben Cab.
Yes, sir. So for Bencab, the target turnover is by December 2026. So about
Now,
1
next
year
year.
from now.
Yep.
And then we currently have terms for our clients na they can move in 1 year after the original turnover if they want more time. Pero the original turnover of Bencab talaga is by December 2026.
Yes. So, nasusunod naman at some point
Yes.
yung timeline, no?
Yes, sir,
So,
for Bencab.
I
Actually,
think
for all of the, for the mall also, nasusunod yung timeline.
timeline.
Yes,
Kasi
sir.
some of the developers are having a challenge when it comes to the construction.
On the
But with
construction.
Rockwell, yun nga na, nasa timeline naman.
Yes,
Diba?
sir. Correct. Actually, you can already see the amenity area
Sige.
slowly coming together. That's the pool,
Okay.
the lap pool, and then the kiddie pool, the gazebo right there. And this one, this is where the gym and the function room will be.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
And what we could see here, if kahit na nasa by the way, nasa third level tayo,
Yes,
no?
third level.
We could see the beauty of the iconic Mount Arayat.
Yes.
No? Ayan,
yes,
no?
sir.
Can you please show us yung sa very iconic Mount Arayat? So, you could chill here, no? Diba? Ang ganda. Hindi lang building yung makikita mo dito, but
Yes,
as well as
there's also a mix
the
of
mount, mix of nature.
And then eventually, of course, there will be a lot of trees here. Since Rockwell is really good with landscaping. So eventually, more and more, 78% open space for this project.
That's nice. You've mentioned about landscape. Wala talaga akong masabi when it comes sa Rockwell.
Yes, sir.
Lalo na for their horizontal project.
Yes.